Social media is full of ear cleaning hacks right now, from ear candles to viral gadgets promising instant earwax removal. But one of the fastest growing hearing health searches today is actually about earwax removal gone wrong. At Hearing First Milton Keynes, we often help people after DIY attempts have made the problem worse instead of better. The truth is, your ears are designed to clean themselves naturally. Earwax protects the ear canal by trapping dirt, dust, and bacteria. Problems happen when wax becomes impacted, causing blocked ears, muffled hearing, ringing, discomfort, or hearing aid problems. Unfortunately, cotton buds, metal tools, and home gadgets often push wax deeper into the ear instead of removing it safely. In some cases, people accidentally irritate the ear canal or even damage the eardrum trying to fix the issue themselves. That's why professional earwax removal is always safer when symptoms persist. At Hearing First Milton Keynes, an audiologist can assess whether earwax is actually the problem and recommend the most suitable treatment, including microsuction or syringing when appropriate.